How are the legs feeling at the moment? Fresh? Okay?
But preparation legs, I would say. That's normal that everything is fresh, but often a bit difficult because you always play with someone else and there are a lot of changes, but we want to start now and to maybe do it better than last year.
Thanks for your time, John.
Yeah.
Cheers, John.
Thank you, Joe. Would you want to go have a look? Are you ready for the cafe, yeah?
How good is it to have the likes of Phil and Adam available in just the second pre-season game?
That's good. That's good. But to see them again is nice. Of course, they have only 3 sessions now, but I think it makes sense to let them run a little bit. And so, yes, I'm looking forward to see it.
Enjoy the game.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is where they get drinks.
I'll just hang on and just tell you where it's at.
In the midfield, skipper Jordan Henderson alongside Adam Lallana and Ben Woodburn up top. A pretty exciting front three: Philip Coutinho, Roberto Firmino, and that man, Mo Salah.
James, wasn't great conditions in that second half. Can you take much more from it than just fitness?
It's another 45 minutes in the legs and another match situation, you know, getting used to the movements and patterns and reactions and all that things. Yeah, it's quite early and, you know, some of the boys haven't had too long off, but that's the modern game now, unfortunately. And, you know, that's the way it is and the players are used to it. And like I say, it's nice to have everyone back. Touch wood, not too many injuries as of yet. You normally pick up the odd niggle pre-season, but it'd be nice to get everyone together. And it's been a hard 9 days so far, or whatever it is, we've been back, but that's exactly what you need pre-season. Rest day tomorrow to let the body adapt, and then we go again.
Thanks, James.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Steady up. Steady up.
Thank you.